Hey everybody, this is Mr. Regner, and I'm making this video to show off this, which is my sample language arts binder. Now, for language arts class, one of the supplies that we need is a binder, and at the beginning of the school year, we started building our binder. We put some papers in here that are important. You'll see all these pages that are colored paper. These are pages that we're going to keep all year long. So we begin at the very front of our binder, before any of the tabs, with this, our grades sheet. It just gives us some information about the grades and even how to calculate your grades. If you know you got like a 12 out of 13, for example, you can calculate that percentage grade. All right, then we come to our first tab. Now, you have maybe different tabs than I do, and that's okay. Whatever your tabs may look like, I'm okay with it. Our first tab, probably hard to see in the video, but this is our reading tab. So the tab goes in the front, and then all of our reading papers are after that. So I want to make this point very clear as well. The order does not matter, but you should have the following pages, again, in really any order. We have genres and subgenres of literature. We have this paper that shows you reading strategies. Again, a lot of these are front and back. We have author's purpose, author's point of view, irony, list of character traits, elements of fiction review. Of course, my pages are sticking together. There we go. Text features chart, common themes in books. Those are all the pages that we need for reading. I should also point out that maybe the colors that you see here are not the same as what you have in your folder or binder, and that's okay too. So those are our reading pages. Now we come to the next tab, which is our vocabulary tab. So after the vocabulary tab, we really just have one thing so far as we build our binder, and that is the Common Core Word of the Week. This is a actual packet. It's kind of stapled together. It's blank at the beginning of the year, right? As we go through the year, we will hear Common Core Words of the Week. We're going to record those words and their meanings on this chart. And you can see there's going to be a lot of words, a total of 55 words used throughout the year. We're now on to our next tab, which is the writing tab. So inside the writing tab, and again, the order doesn't matter. Even the color of the pages may not be the same, but we have subjects and predicates study guide, the one with the umbrellas. We have the 5th grade writing and spelling non-negotiable list. We have the sentence pyramid from K through 5, kind of showing you how the sentences progress. And then we move on to the next tab, which is the skills tab. So in the skills tab, we have synonyms, antonyms, homophones. Again, that's like a packet that's kind of stapled together. We have the common prefixes and their meanings. Figurative language resource page. The 8 parts of speech handout, and that's all we have for skills. Now we're on to our final tab, which is the handwriting tab. Now guys, the handwriting tab includes a pretty massive packet inside of it. This is our practice packet for handwriting. Now this is actually going to be due in the middle of the year, and then you'll receive a new packet to practice. We're not going to have a lot of class time to do this sort of thing. So instead, you're going to be doing this on your own. You could work on it as homework. You could work on it during academic assist during the school day. You can work on it before homeroom or as you wait for your bus at the end of the day. So find some time to do this. It's not something you have to do all at once. But I will tell you it's kind of a lot of practice pages. You're practicing, in this example, cursive handwriting. All right, and that is our binder. What's really cool about this, now that that binder has kind of been built, we'll be able to add pages to this as we go. If I say that we're looking for something in writing, I just go to the writing tab, open it up, and now I'm on the writing pages. Right? So it's really easy to find things when we work with our binder and when we have those tabs. All right, but it's super important that everything's labeled. Now, if you ever get confused throughout the year, or maybe your binder gets a little bit, shuffled around, you can always ask to see my sample binder or even review this video to help you build that binder back the right way. That's our language arts binder. I hope you've enjoyed the video.